My name is Daniel Randa, the Principal Sia Institute of Technology, also the Chair, Kati Lake Region. Kati is a professional body which is an association of technical institutions in Kenya, both private and public. And we are doing this on behalf of the Kati National Office. Kati has 9 regions, and Lake Region is one of the 9 regions. Now, these drama festivals are happening all over the country. It started last week, this week, and will be winding next week. Our theme is unlocking the seamless potential of drama amongst the youth. As you are aware, the technical and vocational training is encompassing both skills, knowledge, and talents. These are 3 main domains which surrounds the humanity. And apart from the vertical knowledge, we accompany it with the soft skills, the skills of industrial revolution. And also, apart from that, we also enrich it with the talents like drama, sports, music. Because as you see, the youth of the current world have an endless potential. But if only we nurture those endless potential, we might not come up and build the capacity of our youth in our tertiary institution. And that's why Kati is emphasizing on both the academia, the skill training, and drama, music. That is what we call talents. As you are aware, our country has a larger population of youth, and what the TVET are now unlocking is to bring out the best from our youth, from our institutions, an all-round trained human resource who can benefit in national development and help the national goal of Vision 2030 to increase employability as well as employment globally.
My name is Felix Bakles Odhiambo, Principal Kakarau TVC, Suna East Migori County. I want to say the drama festival has been very successful, and as you can see that a lot of our youths have shown great talent. This is just making sure that when they leave for the job market, they are both a skill they can do outside their job areas, which they can do when they are free. We can see today in journalism, for example, the comedians are making an edge in the area of journalism because of the extra talent. So we want to have engineers who on the weekend can go and display that talent in terms of entertaining people outside, and also sending message to the community. The community today wants to listen to more people who are placing message through comedy. The plain message of the ages of my father are no longer working. You must make it hilarious, make it sweet, and make it enticing. That's why TikTok is taking the age in terms of information. And we believe digitization of this talent will make it go far, because one person with the talent can have 1 million followers in Instagram. That means already it can be viewed worldwide with 1 million people. So I pray that our youths will take this talent a notch higher by going digital with the talent, so that the world will see what Kenyan youth in TVET have, and then the world will come to know Kenya as a great home of talents.
My name is Asha Shabakari, Principal Siala Technical Training Institute. I also double up as the Treasurer, Kati Lake Region. My message is just that currently the world is also very stressing. There are so many issues that are stressing people, and such is the talent that we can tap in, the youth can tap in. One, to make money. Two, also just for entertainment. And you know, when people are entertained, there is a reduction of stress. And therefore, just like my colleagues were saying, that the government should support supporting such, so that we have a country that is reducing in the stressing issues, because we have what can make us even relax and reduce the stress.
I'm John Owoko, Principal Muga Technical and Vocational College in Homa Bay County. I also double as the chairman, regional chairman, sports and recreational activities, which drama falls. It's a recognition that most of the institutions have realized that these co-curricular activities are very, very important.